So we're gonna just jump right into it. I'm using YN products for my dehydrator, and I'm also using the YN primer because you know we gotta have that primer, y'all. Especially if we want these to last. So I put my primer on there. I've already done my right hand because my left hand is so much easier to do on camera. So I'm priming these nails and I'm using a Prey Long Almond tips for this Gel X set. And you have to, they don't already come roughed up. So you have to just rough them up a little bit with your e-file. Just like I did here, you'll see it looks a little rough in there. And I put my nail glue on there. And I just make sure I put a lot because you want it to fill up that like gap that it has. If you have flat nail beds, then you definitely want to put more than you would normally, just so it can fill that little gap between the nail tip and your real nail. So that's what I did for the thumb, and I also have to do that for my pinky as well. And after you do all that, you have to put it in your lamp for 60 seconds, of course. And then I'm going to file these down because they're a little sharp at the edge. So the first, and I painted these. I'm sorry, you guys. I painted these like a basic little natural color. And now I'm making a poinsettia. However you pronounce that flower. I'm making that. And I know I did it really, really fast, but I just didn't know if you guys wanted to take the time with me and to see how long it took me to do that. It didn't take me too long, but it would have made this video so much longer. But if you guys want, I can make a slower video on how I did that. On the second nail, I'm doing like a little cute little gift box with a bow. And in the middle, I chose to put a little pearl. So yeah, I don't want to do too much talking. I don't want to annoy you guys. I just want you to just look at the video and see everything that I did. So I just want to add that when you're doing these types of designs, you want to make sure that you always go in with your mini LED light, and you just kind of cure it first, you know, just a little bit so that it won't run into the other part of your design, like when you're doing the little stripes and swipes and little curves and cute little designs that you want to stand out and be textured 3D. Just make sure you just hit it with the lamp, and of course you want to fully cure it after you do that, but this is just so you know it won't run off into the other part of your design. It'll hold it there and freeze it in place so you can finish everything else. And on this I didn't show it, but I did 3 layers of this. So I went in first with the, you know, the first few swipes, and then I went back and I did a second, and then I did a third as well, just so I could have that texture and have that really, really 3D look. And this is our finished product. They came out so cute. I love them. I put little snowflakes, little white dots on my pinky. I love them. And December is my birthday month, so of course I'm going to be showing out this month with my nails. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and hit subscribe. Thank you, and have a merry, merry Christmas or happy holidays, whichever, whatever you celebrate. Thank you.